Happy Sunday, everyone. Awesome Headlights does provide a free headlight restoration for veterans and first responders. Today we have Sheri. Hi, Sheri. What's your story?
Hi, everyone. I was in the Navy beginning from 1991. I was a plane captain stationed in San Diego. So it's been quite a long time since I was in the service. But yeah, I found Greg on the website and love his policies and just had a great vibe about it. So I had him come over. He showed up on time. He's here. I've got my 2005 Honda Element, getting some headlight restoration because I can't see anything at night. The original lights never had any headlight restoration done, so he basically has removed about 16 to 17 years of oxidation and crud from my headlights, and I cannot wait to see what they look like.
Perfect. Awesome. Well, thank you for your service. And Sheri, are you ready to see your headlight fixed up?
I'm ready. You're welcome for my service, and I'm so ready.
All right. Let's do this. No, there's an emptiness in her voice.
Oh my
God.
Did you take a before picture?
Yes,
Okay. Oh my God. That's better than it was when I bought the car, because I actually bought the car used.
Yeah.
So
bam,
that's unbelievable. Oh my God. Thank you so much, Greg.
All right, let's go to the other one.
Wow. Okay, I'm ready.
I had to put this magnet over here. And
Oh my God.
bam!
Oh my God, I could drive at night again.
Yay!
Thank you so much.
Yeah, you bet.
Oh my God, this is amazing.
How about that?
Yes,
Your
how about that?
Your vibes are correct.
Yes, my vibes are correct.
So,
Thank you so much.
thank you, and we're out.
We're out.